finding jobs. Because I swear every time I open up Indeed, I end up feeling worse about myself. Why does every entry-level job somehow want 3 years of experience, a degree, proficiency in how to get hired in 2026? Please let the class know, because right now I'm one rejection email away from becoming a full-time homemaker with a TikTok account. Anyways, let's clean this house before I start spiraling again. Maybe if my apartment is clean, my life will magically fall into place too. Honestly, at this point, I'm willing to try anything. And if not, at least I'll have a clean kitchen and a cute outfit while I'm unemployed. Which honestly feels like a win for today. Now somebody hand me a mop and a brand deal and maybe we can really turn this situation around. Okay, bye! Thanks for cleaning with me and listening to my unemployed TED Talk. And hopefully that's clean so I stop feeling like an unemployed lazy piece of shit doing nothing with her life. Then honestly, I feel a lot better about myself. Because the truth is, I feel it while wearing a cottagecore dress. Exactly. If I'm gonna be employed, at least I'm gonna be aesthetically unemployed. But as your life and put a cute dress on while you clean the house, because what else screams more romantic than scrubbing your